So what happened to VIX? Well, we came close to touch 13 reversal, and we had a confirmation yesterday of closing above the high. Today, he also took out two bull reversals. Today we're looking at either touching the next reversals or breaking them up, but check the new array. It's on the 11. I'm assuming it's gonna go at least 18. But you do your own thing, trader stuff, because this is very volatile. It can go up and down. You see, it was just a match of a trade. I have the weekly. We also have panic month. This month, a weekly month, panic. And there was a panic here, but as you can see, it will be a nice trade. Yesterday was 7%. Today I'm assuming it's gonna be higher than that.